Papa had coronavirus before?
Huh?
Remember when Papa had coronavirus?
Mm-hmm.
I think I know why he had coronavirus.
Okay,
I
why?
will tell you what. I think it's because he haven't drinking no green juice.
No, that's not the reason why. That's not the reason at all.
But this, Sarah, you and me, we drink green juice and we was negative and Papa told.
Maybe the green juice helped, but I don't think that's why Papa didn't catch it. It's just that it happened. Virus happens. I mean,
Maybe one day he was walking in the street going to work and just somebody beside him and he was positive and it made him positive.
maybe. Can you say good morning to the babe?
Like one.
Ready for school? Alright.
Remember these steps?
What's the steps?
First, take a mask. I'm going to do right now.
I
Come on, Chandish. See.
going for a mask? Okay.
Not only one mask, two masks.
Okay.
Next step is
Hurry, your sister crying.
back to your back.
Alright, put it in your bag. I'm going for sister.
Hi, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. This is morning, this is rush.
This is morning, this is rush. This is morning, this is rush. This is morning, this is rush. Good morning. Hello. Hey, you pretty. Good. No. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Ready for your butter. All right, come on. Up. Exactly. I was saying the same thing to girl. I don't know what you just said. Yes. Come on. Bottle? No. Hold it.
Honey,
Yes, babe.
you started the black pants with you need the baby horse?
Yeah.
Okay, because you have sport?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hi, babes. Good morning. Good afternoon and good night. When it's the morning around here, we are on the go. Come. Did she have our bottle? You put your mask in your bag?
Yes.
You find your jacket? I think it's already on the stroller. Anyway, you guys, how are you guys doing? It's a brand new, beautiful day here. We're up and everybody's doing what they do. Baby's getting ready for work. Tyler's getting ready to head out. I'm ready to drop him. And Sarah's just being Sarah having her bottle. And then we are going to head out. Hopefully you guys are having a good, productive day. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated, stay encouraged. Keep on your grind. Do what you gotta do. I love you guys and enjoy the rest of today's shawty. I'm gonna drop Tyler and then when I get back, you guys know what I'm gonna do. It's my routine, never changes. Never change.
And,
That kind of workout.
and without forgetting green juice.
I already drink my green juice, sir. If you guys don't know what Tyler is talking about, I have green juice every morning. That's my breakfast before I head out. 8 o'clock breakfast, 1 tall glass of green juice. And if I don't have green juice, it would have been a cup of tea, and my tea would have been American ginger. But I got my green juice, so that's what
Okay, your green juice. Your green juice. Your green juice.
What are you doing? Stop
Green
doing that.
juice.
Stop doing that.
Green juice.
Let she have her bottle. This is my Sarah and I little bonding time in the mornings. I look forward to this moment each and every morning with her. I can simply put her down beside me, but having her in my hand like this is just everything. These moments won't last forever, so I'm taking them as much as I can. I love just staring into her eyes when she drinks her water. Talk about forever, baby. And you talk about finish.
Mama.
Finish. And now she's up and finished. Ready for diaper change?
Mama.
Then on the road we go.
Mama.
Yes, Tyler.
Friday, I tell to Papa that I was going to, I feel like I was going to get only A's, and I was right. And also 1 A++.
Okay, that's very good. What? What are you gonna say?
If you get only 3 B's, you are out of the routines.
If they what?
They have a 3 B's one time, they're out of the routine.
They're out of the routine.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Don't do like me. I got 2 B's. B+, B-.
So you need to not get another B, or else you out of routine.
But do you know
Anyway,
what?
you guys. Ooh, the lighting is pretty here. I am going to go do diaper change. Can you tell I have some time this morning? I'm not rushing. Look at the oil in my hair.
Mama?
What is
This
this?
morning is no shit.
This morning is cool. What's this in my hair though? Is the oil? Oh. I was sure. Honey, did you oil your hair?
No.
Anyway, guys, I got some time this morning to spare. I have 10 minutes, so I'm cruise controlling. Come tell the face bye.
Mama.
That's how you tell them bye, 2 finger?
Yes.
Alright.
Pieces. That's how your mom teach me.
Hello, and you know what? I got a B- one day because all the other people in my class, I was the only one that got the B-. You know what?
What all the other people got?
Even worse than me. You know what they got?
What?
C.
Oh, so everybody has got C on the day when you got B?
Yes, B-.
Okay, so that's not too bad. But we're not working for no B-, okay?
Okay, we're working for.
Hey, champion!
And you know what? One day I was a super big champion. One day I got a A+++. A3+.
Okay, A King. Jacket A King.
Whatever calling. And there was an X.
Go and put your mask in the wash.
in the wash.
Okay, you guys, I didn't show you the process of dinner, but this is dinner for the kids. This is Sarah's plate. She's not gonna eat all of this pasta, I'm sure. She's probably gonna eat half of it. And then salmon and vegetable soup. And this one is for Tyler. Vegetable soup and his pasta and salmon. Yes, they're having two different pasta because Sarah likes this little tiny one and Tyler will eat any. That's babe plate and that's my plate. So dinner is done for today. So I told you guys just now that Sarah is gonna eat half of the pasta. Look in her plate. It's all gone. She eat off everything.
You thought it was half?
No, I was saying that I put a lot in it and she was going to only eat half, but she eat all of it.
So why there's still some more and you're giving half?
Because there's just a little bit remain. You want a fork?
Pork?
Yeah.
What do you mean pork?
She's rubbing up the grease on her hand from the fish. Sarah, no! Look at her. Eh. Look, the Fave's seen you. You giving Fave some of your dinner? Look at her. Yummy? Yummy! You did good, Sarah. You eat up everything.
Mama.
How your brother did? How did your brother do? How did you do?
I eat half.
Half doesn't count.
Yes, sir. You
Let me see in your bowl. Eat up. You full?
Yes. Please, I only eat half. I just eat half, Mama. Please.
Please what?
I want to.
You want what? You don't. I know you don't tell me what you're saying. Please for.
Because I want to pause.
You want to pause or you want to stop? Which one?
Stop.
Sarah.
Thank you. I just stop.
Did I say you can stop?
No.
So why you get up?
Stop, please.
Yes, you can stop. Sarah, call Taylor. Call Taylor.
Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. This is rest time. That's you come back home, you want to relax, you have a long day, you have a hard day, but you have kids, so you can't relax. Your relaxing day only start when the kids are sleeping. I can't complain. I mean, talents are going to bed at 8 p.m. So many kids going to bed much later than 8 p.m. So we can start our moment at 8 p.m. Unfortunately, I can't just say, okay, let's go have a, hold on, Papa is talking. Let's go have a drink, let's go just have a little wine and watch something. That's something that we love to do. But now, well, soon. Anyway, I hope you all doing well. I have to picnic. That's how I say picnic. I have to picnic.
What's it?
Full of life. Full of life. So they need to use their energy, they finish the battery of the day before they go into bed. I'm gonna eat. Going home, have a wonderful dinner ready. That's
Lecture
magic.
video etan. Lecture video etan. Lecture video etan.
This sauce. The sauce is in the fridge in a little green cover bowl. Hello, Sarah, catch Stella, Sarah, catch him. Catch Stella, catch Stella. Catch him. Catch him, Sarah, catch him. Catch him, Sarah, catch him.
Which one did I say?
One of Sarah little bowl.
No, Fred's coming. Fred's coming back.
She said.
So she was going in.